back to my channel. My name is Ifuna if it's your first time here. So today I'm actually excited. We're going to be doing a living alone vlog. Probably this is probably going to be my weekend vlog. I have a couple things planned for today, even though I'm currently working right now, but after work I have a few things I want to do. So yeah, stay tuned. So most days I usually work downstairs if there's like maybe one person in the house, but because it's just me, I just like to be in my room because yeah, sometimes I miss being in my room. Yeah, but most days like I work downstairs like sometimes 3 days a week, and then in my room like 2 days a week. It's very random. This is somebody that works from home. Like I need to like constantly change my environment, because if I'm in my room all week, it's like, bro, I feel so like, yeah, I don't know what it does. Tell me, if you work from home and you work in the same space every single day, like it gets so tiring. So I like to change. So whenever I feel like I want to work downstairs, I go downstairs. If I feel like I want to work from my room, I stay in my room. So it really depends on my mood when I wake up. Yeah, I'm not having breakfast today. I'm fasting, so no breakfast. I'm just going to get back to doing some work. Today was my last day at work. I'll link the video here if it's out, if you guys haven't watched it. So yeah, I gave like a little speech, but yeah, let me just continue my day and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so it's time to wash my hair. I'm currently on my break from work, so I have about an hour to wash my hair. I literally always dread my hair wash days because it's just always so stressful, so time consuming, like washing and detangling. Like I don't know how you guys do it. Seriously considering putting my hair in locks. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes because I can't keep up. I can't keep up. Let's wash her. I want to show you guys what I use. So I use the As I Am shampoo to wash my hair, and I use the As I Am conditioner as well to condition my hair. I use the As I Am detangler. I'm an As I Am girl. Like I found this product the last time I went to Nigeria 2 years ago, and I have been hooked ever since. I use the detangler. I also have like their Jamaican black castor oil. This is really good for like dandruff, itchy scalp, like when I have like protective styles, even just when I have like my hair out normally. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, I have an hour, so let me actually be quick. I'm going to section my hair off camera and I'll see you guys when I'm done.
Let your spirit fill me, every day I'm breathing. Let your mercy shield me from all evil. Cause it was you who found me, so when you just ground me, build a tower around me, goodness and favor around me. They can never allow me, never move on without me. If you move on without me, what is a death to drown me? Sometimes it gets so rowdy, my sunny days get cloudy, but with you I overcome. And I'll say that your grace is all I need. Oh Lord, you see the best in me. That's why I call you Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. That's why I call you Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. When I'm walking through the valley, let me feel you next to me. That's my prayer, that's my prayer. Whoa. My thoughts, you know my heart, you know my breath, you know my thoughts, you know my thoughts, you know my heart, yeah. You know my breath, you know my breath, oh yeah, yeah.
So I'm finally done washing and conditioning my hair. Let me show you. So I'm going to stretch it out later with like a blow dryer. I'm going to go back to work now because obviously my time is far spent. So yeah, let's go.
I need your company, so I give myself to you. Do what only you can do. Say your look, I'll make it walk. Come on me, yeah. I'm desperate. Can you show me? Cause you got the master plan. I'm doing the best I can.
Too cute. Yeah, but like she's a young person now. She's not like an African mom or anything. Yeah.
And your love is from amazing, so I love you. And you call upon me, and I'll go stop.
Hi guys, so I want to bake. This is what happens when I'm home alone. Actually, no, I actually bake quite often. I bake quite often, and it's always nice when like my family gets back and I'm like, oh my gosh guys, I made something. So yeah, I just got off the phone with Fortune, my coworker, and my friend. Actually, I should stop calling her my coworker, she's my friend at this point. I'm about to start baking. I'm trying to think. I low-key want to make, I've been wanting to make cookies, but I also want to make brownies. So now I'm just confused. Should I do both or should I pick one? I don't know. Like I had white chocolate brownies at Moxie's. I don't know if you guys know their famous white chocolate brownies. They are so good, and I've made it before. I've made it like 2 or 3 times. I'm thinking I should just make it again. Let's start with the brownies.
You said when it comes to faith, we talk it, then we reckon it or balance it, and then we be like it, right? Let's say for instance, if I have there's a promotion in my office, right? And I'm walking around like, oh, you know, I'm gonna get it. This position is mine. How do you know when maybe it's faith you're exercising, maybe it's pride you're working on, or maybe it's just plain confidence? Like, is there a defining line? Are they even related?
Okay, my experience with most Christians is that faith, they put faith and confidence in the same basket. No. Confidence is an aspect of faith, but confidence is not faith. Bang bang. Okay, this is it. Faith is substance. Faith is not an idea. Faith is not, I have decided to have faith. You cannot decide to have faith. Faith is substance. Anyone who has gotten the point of faith knows what I'm talking about. It's like you can relate with it. Now, the word substance there comes from the Greek word which means title deed. Title deed is like receipt. I can't have a receipt for something and say I don't have it. So, whereas in the physical, I buy the thing, I have it, they give me a receipt. In the spiritual, it's the reverse. I'm given a receipt. That receipt is the proof that I have it. So everywhere I go, I say I have it because of the receipt. Now, Jesus said that anyone who have the faith like a mustard seed, he said, and shall not doubt in his heart. He didn't say shall not doubt in his mind. There's a difference. There's a difference between doubting in your mind and doubting in your heart. I know someone will ask me a question, what's the difference? Boy, I love this topic.
Okay guys, so this is it before I pop it in the oven. Yeah, it might not look as appealing, but trust me, it tastes amazing. But yeah, okay, let's pop it in the oven. Hi guys, so today is Sunday. I think this is the last day of the vlog. I'm getting ready for church right now. It's currently 6:30. It's currently 6:30 a.m. Church is at 10, but I want to film a video first before church. I'm about to do my makeup, then film a video, and then I have to pick up my friends and then go to church. Yes, I stretched out my hair last night and then I put it in braids so it wouldn't like scrunch or like shrink again while I'm like sleeping. So I'm just going to take these braids out now and like slick back my hair, and yeah, length. This gel, it does not leave a white cast. This is the got to be, no, this is Gorilla gel, Gorilla hair gel, and then I use the level 7. I also don't put too much, just a bit. I'm going to use the Shine and Jam for my edges. Okay, we're done. Okay, I'm just gonna film my video now, so I'll probably see you guys maybe like after church or when I'm going out for dinner with my friends. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned that, but my friends and I are going out for dinner after church. So I'll see you guys then. Going out to eat is my love language, so yeah. Anyways, it's 7:15. I'm so behind time. Bye guys. So I just got in the car. I'm about to go pick my friend Angel. Anyways, I'm about to go pick my friend Angel, but I just I look like I'm wearing a blazer. This is my trench coat. I know I look so official, but anyways, winter is here and I'm not loving it. It is 3 degrees today. Like, my god. Anyways, I'm just grateful for a new day and to be alive. Yeah, it's 43 minutes to Angel's house and then we'll go to church from there, but I'm actually like pretty early. I didn't know I was rushing. Yeah, I filmed my video successful, so I didn't know when that video is going to be out. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I woke up at 5:30 a.m. today just so I could film and get my day started early. But yeah, so thank god. I'm really taking my consistency seriously, so hope this is paying off. But yeah, anyways, let me actually get going and I'll talk to you guys later. Oh yes. Hi guys. Hi. I hope you're not tired of seeing me on this channel. It can't be. So we just got back from church and now we're at Gaibi to have dinner. Excited, can't wait. I've been to catch up with the girls. Yeah, can't wait to catch up and also have some good food. Okay, I'll see you guys when we're inside. Oh, I forgot to yeah. Lord, I'm amazed how you show me mercy. Should I say hi to the vlog? That thing is blocking my face. Oh, no, you can see it. Okay guys, we're gonna dig in. Yo. Okay, I'm back again. We just finished dinner. I'm so full. She ate the most. Are you crazy? Already ate the most. Oh man, this is my birthday. This is my birthday, man. Stay tuned for an inside birthday vlog. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Okay. You guys spam the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, spam the comments. I love KBBQ.